The following contest is a handicap match. Making his way to the ring from China, weighing in at 447 pounds, the Villain.
We're looking at 2-on-1 here, guys, and this might just be too much to overcome.
Well, the good news is...
And his opponents, at a combined weight of 461 pounds, Jeff Hardy and Matt Hardy, the Hardy Boys.
Thinking you've got a chance to...
Oh, could this be it?
Great agility there. When you look at this,
It looks like they both did their homework heading into this one.
Matt Hardy in with the tag. He's looking a little dazed, got Matt Hardy's done playing. That's it. Matt Hardy brings everyone to their feet.
This arena just got woken. Hang on to your seats, people. 2 against 1 handicap match, and the fur will be flying all night long.
We've seen handicap matches throughout WWE history that can display someone's incredible ability. And we've seen the handicap match be utilized to deliberately put someone in...
Set up. Wow, Jeff Hardy gets the reverse. He's looking incredible.
There was a lot of force behind that one.
Reversal. What a counter. Working on the leg. An early pin attempt. 1, 2. Very curious move to go for a pinfall at this point.
He isn't going to go away that easy.
Jeff Hardy just barely getting out of the way.
So quick.
In a matchup like this, Byron, talk about the importance of keeping the fresh competitor in the ring.
Oh, it's crucial and one of the most effective ways of taking advantage of outnumbering your opponent.
Cut the ring in half and keep the fresher person in the ring.
Here we go with Matt Hardy. And Matt Hardy going for the early cover. No, a kick out.
Hey, I guess you never know.
Oh, look at...
Matt Hardy exploiting the opening.
Setting up again. Can he put this one away?
Matt Hardy is really applying pressure now, guys.
Not yet.
You have to sense that fatigue is starting to become a factor at this point.
Make no illusions of it. This is coming down to a battle of attrition.
Another big move.
One-ton bomb! Now that is an exclamation point. Has Jeff Hardy produced an end result?
Bringing it back between the ropes. They get dangerous out here, especially when there are no countouts. Gets him with the counter.
An impressive series of moves. Looks like nobody's budging, Cole.
Amazing reflexes on display.
Yet another counter.
It's like they're both somehow one step ahead of each other.
Look at this crowd. It's insanity in here. Bedlam.
Oh, shows no mercy.
And that poor chair. It looked like a twisted heap.
Twist of fate. Lost in the corner right now.
Jeff Hardy's going for it. Jeff Hardy, this might be it.
Can he take advantage of this?
Now, Jeff. Uh-oh.
How do you come back from that?
And the odds just swung in Matt Hardy's favor. Eludes. The target's been acquired once more.
Watch out!
Plenty of fight left.
Yeah, this is way too early to be going for the win.
Oh, the reversal by Matt Hardy.
Oh, clothesline. The WWE Universe has come alive in this one.
They are up and they are vocal. A lot of energy in the room.
And he's heading back in.
Oh, and the ladder finds the mark. Gonna be tough to bounce back from that one.
Setting that ladder up now.
Hoping to make a tag here. And it sounds like there are a lot of people here tonight hoping for the exact same thing.
Here we go. Ooh, fist drop.
Tagged in.
Heads up the ladder. Diving crossbody!
Throwing all caution to the wind.
We're at a vital stage in this matchup, and this audience is fully aware of it.
Yeah, they know another turning point can come at any second, and that can be the end.
Look out! Leg drop!
Continuing the assault on his head here. Yeah, he might be seeing stars, Michael.
Cross body!
Great agility there.
Look at Jeff Hardy's offense. Twist of fate.
The charismatic enigma doing what he does. Keeping the pressure on. back into the hip toss.
There he goes, crashing to the floor. I guess Jeff Hardy didn't think one time was enough.
All the way for the top. Unorthodox use of the ladder.
Pretty creative.
Runs right up the ladder. Headbutt to the back of the neck.
What a chancery.
Wow, Jeff Hardy gets the reversal.
Lariat.
Perhaps he's thinking the ring can't contain what he has in mind here. Bringing it back into the ring.
He's on the ropes again.
Look at this. Wow, cross body. You've got to be kidding. Is Jeff?
He's going back to the well.
One-ton bomb.
Got him flush.
Another big move. He's going back to the well.
Senton connects. This one is done.
This one is all but over.
He wants it one more time.
One-ton bomb.
Meet him at the pay window. That is a huge opportunity for Jeff Hardy.
He just cannot be caught.
There it is.
Did you hear that crack? Kick to the gut. Oh, sit-out jawbreaker.
Eating through a straw for a week.
What a cutter.
All the way to the top. Measuring it up one more time. One-ton bomb!
And that might be just enough to win.
The big gun fired yet again. DDT! Planted.
Here it comes. I don't think he wants to be in that corner, Byron.
Yeah, but he's not moving, Michael.
Side effect. Straight punch.
Nice. Matt Hardy made him think twice about that.
Here we go with Matt Hardy. Matt Hardy with a nice reversal.
He's looking for yet another exclamation mark. Power with authority. No man does that better. But now, can Matt Hardy capitalize on this?
Jeff Hardy scores the victory. We've got some time to take another look at some of the highlights from that one.
Here are your winners, Jeff Hardy and Matt Hardy, the Hardy Boys.
Impressive showing there en route to the win.
You can bet he's happy this handicap match is over.
What a matchup that was. Truly incredible.